Good day, teachers. Welcome back again here in our YouTube channel, Learning Pal. And teachers are now preparing for the opening of classes and for your classroom decoration. Okay, so why not check this Back to School Canva for Education Teacher Design Playbooks, where we can download almost all of our materials that we need for our classroom decoration. Okay, so let's check it. So let me maximize this. So this is a playbook where we can download a lot of materials for our class. So we can have our class syllabus. We have also meet the teacher and student templates. You can check all of this and you can edit and customize all of the templates. To fit your theme or lesson. Okay, so just scroll down and check all of these beautiful templates. You can also check the All About Me poster, where we can share this to our students and let them fill it out and discuss this to our class. Okay, so there are a lot for middle school and even for elementary students like this, so they can fill this out and they can share their information for their classmates. Okay, another is this About Me presentation for the teachers, where we introduce ourselves to our students so that they will know some things about us, our background, and our rules inside the classroom. We can put our picture here and introduce ourselves to our students. So next is we have the classroom decor kits that we can help us to decorate our classroom. So just check all the templates here, like classroom rules, classroom chores for our cleaners, different posters that we can use inside our classroom. So just check all of this in this playbook, where we can download a lot of materials. Tote tray label, if we have trays or boxes inside our classroom, then we want it to be organized, so we can put some labels on it, like sharpeners, erasers, pencils, and paper clips. So all of these are editable, so we can change the materials that we want to put in the boxes or in different containers inside our classroom. So just check all of these beautiful templates here in the playbook. Next, we have the name tags. So this is very applicable, especially for teachers who are teaching lower grade levels. So we can print this out and let the students write their name on it, or we can also already print it and let the students cover it or laminate it for their name tags for our class. So you just choose any theme or any designs that you would like for your class to use. Next is we have the classroom motivational poster, feeling check-ins, and virtual classroom. So for classroom motivational poster, you can choose any designs or font that you can use to decorate inside your classroom. Then for feeling check-ins, so this one is will help us to check and have a routine for our class. So for this one, we can let our students write their emotions of how do they feel in that particular day or in our lesson. Okay, just to check their feedback. Next, we have the virtual classroom. So for those teachers who are still using Google Classroom and other different learning platforms, so they can have this beautiful virtual classroom and then edit it, print it as a PDF where the students will have a guide on what is happening in our classroom. Next is we have the classroom rules poster, mind maps, and teacher t-shirts. So mind maps, we can use this for relationships of our lesson, for brainstorming, for having a timeline for topics during our lesson. So just check it out. And we have the classroom rules poster, which is very important in establishing our routines and to establish a relationship to our students. Then teacher t-shirts, we can use this design to print our t-shirts, and we can use this if we have programs or special events in our school. Next, we have the classroom newsletter, Google Classroom header, educational website. So we can make our own website where we can store some links to our lesson or educational materials. We have classroom calendar, which is very helpful also to help our students organize and plan out their different tasks during our week or in a month. So just check all these beautiful templates here in this Canva document. So later I will share to you where you can download this material. Then we have class schedules. Okay, so we can download this Canva document in the description of this video. So just check the description of this video to download this Canva document. So we can print this class schedule and put it in our table or any folder that we use to help us be reminded for our class schedule. We have the class syllabus presentation. So what is our lesson for that day, or what are the different lessons that our students will be expecting for our class. Okay, so I hope you can follow all of this. So, and this one is very important for those teaching who are in the lower grade levels, specifically in kindergarten and grade 1 and grade 2. And also we can also use this for our middle school students if we feel that they like this stickers and these designs, so that they will be rewarded for all their tasks, or if they got good performance during our class. Okay, so I hope teachers, this Canva document will help us in preparing for our opening of class and classroom decoration. So if you find this document and this video helpful, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel, because we will share a lot of learning resources, learning videos that will help us for lesson. Okay, so thank you for watching and happy learning, pals!